If you are a beginner and want to change the background color in Microsoft Word, it is very easy and useful when you want your document to look more appealing. Just follow these steps. So open the document in which you want to apply the background color and then head to the design on the top menu bar, and on the right side you will see that there is a page color. You need to click on that, and here the color palette will be appeared. So select the color which you want to apply. For example, I'm selecting this one. So here you can see that the background color is changed. Click again, and if you want to select no color, then the background color will be removed. Moreover, again click on page color, and if you want a custom colors, then you need to click on the more color. And then you will see a color palette, and these are the standard colors and these are the customs colors. So select any color, and here you can increase the or decrease the color mode. These are the RGB colors, and you can also drop down and select HSL colors, and you can also change the ratios of these colors and click apply, and you can see that the background color is applied. Moreover, if you want to apply some fill effects or a gradient colors, then you will see that there is a fill effect, and under the gradient tab you need to select two colors and select the first colors of your choice and then select the color of another. So here are the two colors, and these are the shading styles. Choose any you like. So but my favorite is the center, and I'll be okay with that. Click OK, and here you can see that the background color is applied, and here your document looks more professional. So if you think this video is helpful, you have learned that how you can change your page color easily. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching.